So I wanted to make a video of this brand new truck I just bought. It's a 2020 Ram 1500 Classic. Steel wheels, 5.7, two-door long bed. You see it has a single exhaust pipe there, four-wheel drive. I hopped on this because I just don't see a reason with these new trucks with the big cab and the little 5.5 foot bed or 5 foot 7 inches, whatever it is. I mean, it kind of cracks me up a little bit. It's like, what kind of truck is that? So when I found this at a local dealership, I went and test drove it and fell in love with it. It rides so smooth, smoother than anything I've ever owned. As you see, like I said, single exhaust pipe came with the factory. Class 4, regular hitch, not the huge one that the Cummins, the newer Cummins trucks have. They have a massive hitch. I don't know if that's class 5 or what, but that's just the typical hitch, doesn't have the little extension piece. So yeah, it's got steel wheels, like I said. I think they're just regular old Goodyear tires. These ones say classic on them. As you can see, classic, because it's a 2020 and they're keeping the old body style. Doesn't have tow mirrors. Vinyl seats. I'm assuming that the management of a dealership is who decides what vehicles they order. This is the only tradesman they had on their lot. They didn't have any other tradesmen that were two-door. The rest were 5.7 hemi, four-door short bed, real short bed. And none of them had this screen or these gauges. And that is part of the electronics package. Window sticker that is printed out for me. As you can see, this is what it comes with from the factory over here. You get your 5.7, 8-speed, 321 gearing, 32-gallon fuel tank, all that. And factory is a small radio. I think the steel wheels were all the same. This is what I got. So this is your optional equipment that it came with. You get the electronics group, which is your big screen and your fancy gauge cluster with all the information in there. Pound remote entry group. Let's see. Here you go. This is the juicy stuff here. Has a nice trailer brake controller, factory. And this was what I was really looking at, this 392 gearing. A lot of these trucks come with 321s. As you see, they come standard. And a lot of these 8-speeds have that. Although I've heard from a lot of guys that with an 8-speed transmission, you really don't need the gearing that you used to need with trucks. But yeah, so there you go. The dealer website was $30,191. And they were true to that. They didn't, all they added on was extras like gap insurance that I added and dealer processing and taxes, obviously, and tags. But I mean, think about it, they'd be adding that into an MSRP price too. So that's pretty damn good on a brand new truck with these options. Warlocks are really big right now. The Ram 1500 Classic Warlocks. If I were to get a V6, it'd still be more expensive than this truck. It just kills me. How overpriced, like, just body packages are. Not even packages that affect the truck in any way. Like, you get 355 gears with a V6, and you're paying a whole bunch more. I think it was like $3 grand more just for that, for the Warlock package. So with this, you get the V8 8-speed 392 gears. You like cannot beat it for the price. But yeah, it's just a basic 5.7 8-speed. Doesn't have the engine cover on it. I heard the new classics do not come with that anymore, as the old 5.7s once did. But yeah, well optioned out truck. Like vinyl floors, vinyl seats and floors. The floors, for one, I was a little unsure about the seats, but they're so much easier to clean. So I just kind of rolled with it. Nice seats. It's got all the controls on the steering wheel. Nice big console with the cup holders there. Just a little storage tray down there you can feel. Glove box, single glove box. Some of them have the upper, but this one does not. Start her up. So I noticed I've been around these 8-speeds a lot, and I thought the idle was so low because of the transmission. Turn this off before freaking copyrighted. 281 miles. Had 6 miles on it when I went to test drive it. but they idle higher for some reason than the older ones. But yeah, I mean, this screen for $700 and whatever it was dollars, this was a great package, these two. And I think this nicer climate control comes with that big screen. There's so much information in here. Trailers, like I said, it has the trailer brake. All this, like, I don't even know how to use any of this. Like, I haven't messed with it. But it's so cool to be in a newer vehicle. For this price, I could not beat it. Like, you get all this at such a low price. If I were to get a, let's see, a nicer trim level, you get the same screen, get your leather seats or whatever, that'd run you 40 grand. This was just over 30, like a, what, $200 over 30 grand. And it's a brand new truck. It's crazy. But yeah, you got all your information here. I'm trying to find setup. There's a setup screen in here. But yeah, I'm gonna be making videos on this. I've been following the following guys with these tradesmen, and it seems like they're very happy with them. A lot of them have the V6 with 321 gears, and they're towing fine. Two-wheel drive. If I were to get a two-wheel drive, two-door, basic V6, that will run you about $23,000 before extras. You know what I'm saying? So add about, shoot, $7 grand or so if you want the nice screen, power windows, V8, four-wheel drive, all that junk. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to share this with you. Something reliable, finally. My second gens are more reliable than that third gen was, 100%. That was a great truck. Both my second gens were great trucks. But that third gen was, I don't know, I didn't really. I got it hoping that it would be a good truck, and it really just let me down. So heat didn't work, exhaust leaks, I just, rusty underneath. I should have just called it then when I bought it, but I thought I'd clean it up. But it was just doo-doo. Brake lines are all rusted out and everything. So it ran good though for the most part. Dealer gave me a decent trade-in on it. I think they were aware that it was an older truck and it was gonna need some stuff, but it'll end up at a local dealer. So anyway, guys, hope you like it. This truck is brand spanking new. Long bed. Don't see that anymore. You can only get it with the classics. The new trucks aren't going to have it. So enjoy the long beds while you can get them. Because the new trucks, 1500 half tons, will not be coming with long beds or two doors. So get them while you can. They still got some on their lots. I don't know if they're carrying over the classic to 2021 or not. But this is a 2020 Ram 1500 Classic Tradesman. I don't think they had the STs like they used to anymore. That's what my white truck was, an ST. But yeah, y'all, there'll be more videos coming of this beast. I'll probably wait a while because it has nice, rides so nice. But I'll probably put a lift on it one day and some exhaust and tires. I'll probably swap the tires that I had on the white truck that you guys saw into this. Same lug pattern. So anyway, thanks for watching.